Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 15th of August 2019. Okay guys, first of all subscribe my YouTube channel and also do not forget to press the notification button if you have not pressed it, because it will tell you about the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay, now let's move towards the today's analysis, and we are going to start with Euro USD with a bearish trend from 111433 and 111077 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market already made the target price with a downward trend on Euro USD, and congratulations to all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on this pair. Now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD, another satisfied signal of the day. Great Britain Pound USD with a bullish expectation from 121025 and 121833 is the target price. However, the market has went up to 121509. So congratulations to the traders who have taken the buy positions. They must have ended up with good profits. Now let's talk about USD JPY. USD JPY, guys, it's bullish from our side. 106022 is the bullish entry, and guys, it already break the entry and now it's making the upward momentum. So if it continues the bullish momentum like this, then it can go up to 106856. Okay, AUD USD with a bullish expectation from our side. AUD USD with a bullish signal. 067745 is the entry and 068077 is the target price. However, the momentum is slow, but if it continues the bullish trend, then it can reach up to 068077. Okay, we do not talk about the losing trades in our analysis. So moving towards the USD Canadian dollar. So USD Canadian dollar was strong today, and I have supplied the bullish signal from 133207. And guys, you can see that the signal is already break from the entry, and this signal is supplied based on the daily chart. If you look at the daily chart, then the market is still making the upward momentum in the top red boundary. So we do not have any bearish signs at the moment. So if it continues the bullish trend like this, then the market can reach up to 133642. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. A simple and clear signal was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from in the form of bullish trend. 128264 was the bullish entry, and 129245 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market is making the bullish pattern and it's on the way towards the upward momentum. Euro JPY, and going to take you towards the Euro JPY. Euro JPY is weak today. Sorry, and 118007 is the entry and 117320 is the target price. This signal is given on the basis of daily chart. You can see that the market is going down from the hourly chart. However, on the daily chart, you can see it's pumping down. We do not have any bullish signs at the moment. So overall, Euro JPY is into the weaker zone. At last, I'm going to talk about AUD JPY. AUD JPY with a bullish expectation from 71865, and if it continues a bullish activity like this, then it can go up to 72764. But overall, if you look at the momentum is weak. So not a good, you can say that not a good, very good pair to trade when the market is into the ranging conditions. Okay guys, moreover, about the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. You can see the two red boundaries are attached to the trading system. These are called indicators. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary, like you can see we have a drop on Euro USD today. From the top red boundary, if you see that the market is getting the rejection, sorry, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you want to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to get my coaching, and if you want to get the video lessons that I have prepared for you, then you need to contact info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.